It's Cinco de Mayo, so let's start the fiesta with a traditional Papel Picado decor. Now, Papel Picado is considered a Mexican folk art. Typically, the designs are cut from colored tissue papers stacked together and folded and then cut using sharp scissors. Papel Picados are often strung together to create flags that are hung across streets or displayed in the home. Today, I'll show you how to create the traditional folk art using fabric for your Cinco de Mayo party. It's simple and fun with these easy steps. So let's make it! You'll need 1 yard each of cotton fabric, colors like red, blue, purple, orange, yellow, green, and red, sharp fabric scissors, double wide bias tape, pins, a straight edge and rotary cutter, and your brother's sewing machine. To make it, using your straight edge and rotary cutter, start by cutting 9 by 9 inch squares of fabric. You'll need one of each color per string of flags, and each fabric square will be folded and cut into a beautiful design. Okay, here's where the magic happens. First, fold the 9 by 9 inch square in half, then fold it in half again, and fold it in half one more time. Now you have a long, skinny piece of folded fabric. Clip the corner of one end of the folded piece of fabric and then clip the other side to make a point. Now unfold the piece until it's only folded in half once. Fold the raw edge of the top over just a bit and then fold the top down to the tips of the angle cutouts you just made on the fabric. Now take the right edge, crossing it over to the left side of the square to create a triangle. Snip the tip with a very small chevron or circle design. And now cut patterns into both sides of the triangle. I made a heart shape on the inside and then more triangles, rectangles, and clips on the outside, making sure you don't cut through to the other designs. Be sure to use small and precise cuts and use the tips of your scissors. Now unfold the square of fabric and you have a beautiful design. Do this with each color of fabric and every design can be completely unique. Now to string it together. Open up the bias tape and lay the top edge of the cutout square inside the folds of the bias tape and pin it in place. Leaving about 3 to 4 inches between the flags, add the next square. Continue adding and pinning all the cutout squares in place along the bias tape. Head over to your sewing machine and sew all the way down the inner edge of the bias tape to secure the flags in place. And there you have it, your very own Papel Picado, made from fabric. I'd say you did a great job. Now go hang it on the wall and it's time for the fiesta to begin. And all you need now is a margarita to sip on. Salud!